Guys, I'm just eating chips. Once I typed in 660, I can say that here. And moments before, when I spawned in, when I spawned in, I spawned in.
Ay, problema kasi, di ba? Ilang beses kayo. Teka lang, ilang beses kami dito. Pati pa kasi naglalagay pa kayo.
I'll show the coordinates.
Kaya na sinasabi ko nga.
So where did I go? All the way here. There was a shipwreck.
Nasa loob na nga, kaya sabi ko, wag lang kayo mag-extend, di ba?
Cross hunt. So wait. First. Wait. A notes in the AI gallery. 544741192. Make sure of that.
Nasaan yung bangketa nila? Sige nga. Slope, di ba? Hindi ayan, sukati mo yun. Kaya nga ang tagal na kasi niyan, hindi naman natin pwede baguhin yun. Dahil huwag gumawa niyan Ang galing mo lang.
Yeah, I think we're almost there.
Tumala po. Marigina. Hindi po pwede magbaba dito. Ilang beses na po ito, alam niyo naman yan.
Wait.
Diba?
Make sure I'm not wrong.
Pwede nyo magpupunin yan. Makuha mo naman. Sir.
Oh, wait, so... I think I actually gone the wrong way. Yeah. That's just my mother, by the way. Where is that cross anyways? Oh, I think there are the pumpkins. I never see the worst. I'm actually going in the wrong way. Actually. So I think there it is. Make sure I got the right one. AI gallery. 71192 1199.
Ito na yung mabuhay lane. Papunta ba Eisenhower?
Hey, where am I going anyways? Oh wait, no. Where am I going anyways?
All traffic. So, bawal kumaliwa dito. Lahat ang sasakyan kakanan.
Alternate route yun muna dito. Pa-alternate route yun muna.
Yan yung feature natin noon. Open na siya.
Dito muna kuya, diyan muna.
There it is. There it is. I didn't actually do this. No. I swore. Alright, that's it for today's proof. Bye.